Hi friends, there is an interesting question for you in the aptitude section, quant section, in the chapter of mensuration geometry. So here the question is, from a circular sheet of paper, there is a circular sheet of paper of radius 30 centimeters, a sector of 10% area is removed. That means there is a circle. From that circle, they made a sector. Let us suppose this is the center point and here is 10% area. This is the sector, right? So a sector of 10% area is removed. If the remaining part, that means remaining part means this 90% of the area, remaining part is used to make a conical surface. That means this remaining part is made into a conical surface. Then what is the ratio of radius and height of the cone? Okay. So cone in approximately is asking. There are 4 options given, 3, 2, 4, 6 are the options given. So that means this is a circular sheet and there is a 10% area and this is the remaining 90% area that he is talking about. That means this area is removed anyway and this is the 90% area. This 90% area is transformed into a right circular cone. Okay. So what happens? That means this is a this kind of questions are based on transformational geometry. That means you are converting a 2-dimensional figure into a 3-dimensional figure. The circular sheet is a 2-dimensional figure, right? Of course, you can also say it as a 3-dimensional figure with a very minute height. But here a sheet is converted into a circular conical surface. I'll show you example. My dear friends, this is the circular sheet that I am talking about, and this is the 10% area, and 10%, not up to the scale I know. So 10% area is cut, and this is the remaining 90% area, and this remaining 90% area is transformed into a cone. It is transformed into a cone, right circular cone. So clearly you can see when this sheet, 90% area of this sheet is transformed into a cone, you can clearly see this radius, whatever the radius is there, that radius is nothing but the slant height, has become the slant height of the cone. So my dear friends, clearly what is the transformation? This radius, this is the R1 radius, this radius is nothing but equal to the slant height. I am taking it as L. And also we know there is a base radius in the cone, that we will take it as R2. And height we will take it as h. So this 90% of area has been transformed into a right circular cone. This is the height of the cone and this is the slant height of the cone and this is the base radius. He is asking what is the ratio of radius and height of the cone, right? Fine. Now what is the formula for formula of area of a circle? Pi r square. So what is the formula for lateral surface area of a right circular cone? That is pi RL, where R is the base radius and L is the slant height. Okay. So 90% area, that means 90% of pi R square, that means 30. So this is 30 centimeters, right? So this is 30 centimeters and this L is also equal to 30 centimeters because this has become the slant height here. So now it is pi RL, pi R means here base radius, that is R2, that I don't know, I need to find now, and L is again 30. So this 30 and 30 gets cancelled, pi and pi gets cancelled, and here, so it is R2 is equal to 27 centimeters. R2, that means base radius, this is nothing but R2 is equal to 27 centimeters. Now the question is not over. He is asking approximately, so we can cut off, we need not go for the decimal values, we can neglect the decimal values and take whole integrals, right? So now coming to the point, he is asking what is the ratio of radius. Radius means here base radius. We have only one radius in that cone. What is that? Base radius. He is asking what is the ratio of radius and height of the cone. First of all, my dear friends, this is a right angle triangle, right? This is a right angle triangle and here is a right angle. This is a right angle triangle. Here is a right angle triangle and this is L anyway. And I am using Pythagoras, you know, the hypotenuse square, L square is equal to h square plus R2 square. That means 30 square is equal to h square plus 27 square. So h square is equal to 30 square minus 27 square, and here h square is equal to 900 minus 729. So h square is equal to 171. So h is equal to root 171. This is very close to 169, which is a perfect square. 13 square is equal to 169, right? So it is approximately 13 point something. I am taking as 13 approximately. And here the question is not yet over, and he is asking what is the ratio of base radius and height of the cone. That means base radius means R2 by h he is asking. So what is R2? R2 is 27. What is h? Just now we found that is 13. So 13 2s are 26, right? That means 2 point something. So it is nothing but approximately 2. It is nothing but approximately 2. So what is our option? Option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer for this question.